Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to explore one of the greatest engineering achievements in American history, the Hoover Dam. Located on the border between the states of Nevada and Arizona, the Hoover Dam is not just a massive concrete wall holding back water. It's a symbol of innovation, strength, and human determination. But how was it built? And why is it considered an engineering marvel? Let's take a closer look. The Hoover Dam was constructed during the Great Depression, a time when millions of Americans were struggling to find jobs. Construction began in 1931 and was completed in 1936, 2 years ahead of schedule. It provided thousands of jobs and gave hope to a nation in crisis. The dam was named after President Herbert Hoover, who supported the project. The dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. It holds back Lake Mead, which is the largest reservoir in the United States. Its main purposes are to control flooding, provide water for irrigation in cities, and generate hydroelectric power for millions of homes and businesses in the Southwest. Building the Hoover Dam was no easy task. Workers had to blast through rock, pour millions of tons of concrete, and work in dangerous conditions in extreme heat. Over 100 workers lost their lives during construction. Despite the challenges, the result was a masterpiece of design and functionality. One of the most fascinating facts about the Hoover Dam is that the concrete inside is still curing, even decades later. The structure is so massive that it would have taken over 100 years to cool naturally. So engineers built a special system of pipes to remove the heat during construction. Today, the Hoover Dam remains a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. People come to walk across it, take guided tours, and admire the Art Deco design and breathtaking views. It's more than just a dam. It's a reminder of what people can accomplish when they work together. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Hoover Dam is considered an engineering marvel and a symbol of progress and resilience in American history. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.